Hello, I would like to share with you my Excel tips. Tip number 1, how to change numbers which has zeros in front of the number to the numbers without zeros at the beginnings. I will share my screen with you with Excel file. As you can see, I have here a few numbers with zeros or without zeros in front of them. When you have situation like this, numbers are not formatted as numbers. They are usually saved as text. To change it is enough to mark all of the numbers we need to change. Click on this symbol, convert to a number. As you can see, all of the numbers are without zeros in front of them now, and all of the numbers are moved to the right side of the cells. That means that now we have numbers, not a text.